Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ella. Happy birthday to you. Can you blow out your candles? Many more. Get up there real close.
Get a little closer.
Lean up there.
Real close.
Two.
Real close.
One more time.
One more.
One more. Come on.
Come on.
Point.
All right.
All right, Ella.
Ella, Karen says that that's your cake. So, you want a fork?
Take the ears.
You want a fork or a spoon?
Take the ears.
You want a
Careful with the ears.
Okay, Ella.
You take the first few bites.
I will.
Okay.
Happy
Happy birthday, Ella. Happy birthday.
I want a baby. Yeah?
Hooray
Okay,
for the bunny
Ella.
cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Out our voice.
Happy birthday, dear Ella.
Happy
birthday to you.
Now look at her and say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Very good. Wonderful job.
Yes.